welcome to Lloyd, a leading undergraduate management institution shaping tomorrow's business leaders. Explore our diverse BBA program, BBA General, BBA Analytics, BBA Digital Marketing, all taught by experienced and supportive faculty. Experience learning in state-of-the-art facilities designed to foster innovation and academic excellence. Benefit from dedicated career support, great internships, and real-world project experience. Build leadership and life skills through various clubs, committees, events, and practical learning experiences. Engage in research to sharpen critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. With a 2.5 crore rupee MSME grant, Lloyd Incubation Centre fosters innovation and entrepreneurship, giving students a launchpad for their startup dreams. Enjoy a balanced student life filled with exciting events and valuable experiences. Gain insights from our strong alumni network for regular guidance and opportunities. Join Lloyd. Learn, grow, lead in a campus that inspires success.